Hi, this is the Avionaut Pixel Pro infant carrier, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it on the IQ ISOfix base. That's the IQ 2.0C. That base has now been discontinued, but there are quite a few still out there, so I thought it was useful to make a video of it anyway. Before the IQ base can be installed in the car, you need to pull the ISOfix arms out. They need to be fully extended, and you do that by pressing the grey button here on the side, holding it down, and then you can slide the ISOfix arm out. And you do the same on the other side. Press the button and slide the ISOfix arm out until it's fully extended. And now I'm ready to put it in the car. So you start by placing the seat into the car, line the ISOfix arms up with the points in the car, click them into place, and the indicators will go green. You then need to slide the base back to close the gap here at the back between the rebound bar and the vehicle seat, and you do that by pressing these grey buttons again, both of them at the same time, and then you slide the base in, give it a good push until the buttons pop back out, and now the base is firmly installed. The next step is to extend the leg down to the floor. And the first thing you need to do is close this gap here, so you angle the leg out as far as it will go until this gap closes. Then you press the red button here at the bottom, hold it down, extend the leg down to the floor, pull the leg down and lift the top half of the leg up slightly until the button clicks. This red light here, the red X, indicates that there is no seat on the base, and if you were to click the seat in and that red X doesn't turn into a green tick, then the seat is not clicked into place properly. The Pixel Pro has little holes here on the back, on its back legs if you like, and there are bits here that stick out on the base and they need to go into those holes. Then there is a metal claw here, and that locks onto that little metal bar down there. Then you hold the seat above the base and slide it back until those holes at the back line up. And then you push the front down until it clicks into place. And the red X has now turned into a green tick to show you that the seat is installed correctly. And this is the Pixel's side impact block. It's got a hole here, and on the side of the seat there is a knob. You line that knob up with the hole and then push it down until it clicks into that little bit there. Yeah. So you just place it on that knob and push it down. When the Pixel Pro is installed on the ISOfix base, the carry handle needs to stay in its upright position. So that's how you install the Avionaut Pixel Pro on the IQ ISOfix base. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you very soon.